strokes. Now look at the mess you made me make. Hitchhiking with a monogram suitcase, miles away from any half-useful imaginary highway. I'm a big name in deep space, ask your mates. But Golden Boy's in bad shape. I found out the hard way that here ain't no place for dolls like you and me. Everybody's on a barge floating down the endless stream of great TV. 1984, 2019, maybe I was a little too wild in the 70s. Rocket ship grease down the cracks of my knuckles, karate bandana, warp speed cheek, hair down to there, impressive mustache. Love came in a bottle with a twist of cap. Let's all have a sing and do a hot laugh. So who you gonna call? Your eyes. I just wanted to be one of those ghosts you thought that you could forget, and then I haunt you via the rear view mirror on a long drive from the back seat. But it's alright, cause you love me and you recognize that it ain't how it should be. Your eyes are heavy and the weather's getting ugly, so pull over, I know the place. Don't you know an apparition is a cheap day? What exactly is it you've been drinking these days? Jukebox in the corner, long hot summer. You got a film up on the wall, and it's dark enough to dance. What do you mean you've never seen Blade Runner? Or maybe I was a little too wild in the 70s. Back down to earth with a loud shimmer, shimmer. Elevator down to my make-believe residency. From the honeymoon suite, 2 shows a day, 4 nights a week. Easy money. So who you gonna call? The mighty police. So who you gonna call? The mighty police. Baby, that isn't how you look tonight. It took the light absolutely forever to get to your eyes. And as we gaze skyward, ain't any dark early. It's